Yo. Anybody here? Hello. Hey, what's up? Anybody? Anybody? I'm gonna do live cold calls. I think it's gonna be interesting. Not I think, but I believe. Okay. Give me shorter opening lines. I wonder if anybody will be tuned in today. Will anybody be tuned in today? I don't know. Hey, what's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? Leave me a comment below. Hey, what's up, everyone? Where you from? Leave me a comment below. Yo, what's up, Mr. J? Mr. J. Where you from, Mr. J? Hi, Daniel. Hi, Red Fox. Troy Red Fox. Hey, yo, what's up? Hitting the gym. Awesome. Trey. Okay. Hit the gym. You telling me to hit the gym? Or you are going to hit the gym? Hey, Jay. JC0405. Where you from? Are all of you from the States? Is anybody from the States? All right. Okay. That's cool. Do you guys follow the politics? What do you tell me something about, well, let's say, tell me what you see from the point of view where when at this moment the United States is attacking Iran. We joined force with Israeli to attack the Middle East. Well, I wanted something. Halo?
Ano, Hartford, dobrý den. Já už vím, vy jste mi neřekl, že vy jste chtěl řešit to boka na pankráci, ty obchodní prostory.
Jo, jasně, no, povídejte.
Jo, vy jste mi napsal, děkuji za zprávu, za e-mail zpátky. No, chtěl jsem nějaký, co byste si představoval v tom projektu, jako, co byste tam chtěl umístit?
No, nějaký obchodek s potravinami a
Ne,
bufet, no.
potraviny tam být nemůžou, to už tam je byla. Jo,
Tam je byla, ale my chceme asijské potraviny, to je nějak, jako Asian shop na Pankráce.
Zeptat, jestli by to nevadilo, ale jinak jindy to je tak, že prostě byla má doložku a nejdou tam normálně jakýkoliv jiný potraviny, ale můžu se na to speciálně zeptat. Jo?
Jasně. Jako my...
A jinak spíš jsem myslel, jako jestli nějaký gastro, nebo...
To taky. Jsme spojený právě s tím potraviny.
Jo.
Ano.
Jako, že to spojujete s potravinama.
Ano, přesně tak. Něco jako malý Tesco, nebo...
Jo, tak ten veganský bufet by tam nemusel být špatný, protože nahoře bude hodně kanceláří, jo?
Ano.
Tak to by nemuselo být špatný, jako jo.
Jasně.
Akor bufetovou formou je možná i lepší ještě. Kde všude jste teď v nějakým centru?
My jsme v centru na Praze 2, na Karláku a na Praze 8, na Karlíně.
Jo, a nejste v žádném shopping centru?
Ne, měli jsme v obchodní centru, ale teďka už nechcem. Radši ne.
Jo.
No, po covidu už jsou
drahý. Kde jste bývali, a já ti jenom vím.
No.
Kde jste byli v nějakým
Chodov
obchodním?
třeba.
Jo, vy jste byli na Chodově, aha, ok.
Chodov nebo
dobře,
ve Fenixu.
Jo. Aha, ok, dobře, tak to je jenom pro orientaci. A kolik potřebujete metrů na tenhle provoz?
Nějaký 300, kolik jste tam napsal, nějaký 360?
Jo, tam je 360 se zahrádkou, no. Ano.
A jak je velká zahrádka?
365 a zahrádka, to si je můžu pamatovat, já to najdu. Tady, to otevřu. Jo, už to vidím. 21 nebo 22 metrů.
No, to by stačilo.
Jo, 22 metrů je před zahrádka. Ona, ale je to směrem do sídliště, jo, ta zahrádka.
Nevadí.
Jo, takže tak. Ale jako kancelářských prostor tam je fakt hodně, jako jo. To je orientovaný, je to hlavně na kanceláře, ta budova.
Ano. To já vím, kde to je.
No, takže jako to tam teprve bude, ten development. No a tak vás by to zajímalo, ten celý prostor, to dostat nabídku na pronájem, jo?
No.
Super, dobře. No tak jo, můžeme se o tom začít bavit. Já to teda nějak jako se Smolem dám dohromady, abyste dostal oficiální nabídku pro vaši firmu.
Dobře.
Jo?
Ano.
Dobrý. Děkuju.
Tak jo, děkuji.
Nashledanou.
All right, sorry, I had a call from Europe. Now it's about almost 5 p.m. and now I'm gonna do just another cold call roads. I'm from Prague, Czech Republic, now calling to Switzerland. And they're picky though. Anyway, I need to call them back. That's strange. Where you from? Where are you from? Who's there? Tell me something about yourself. Hey, yo, what's up? What's up? I'm just doing live cold calls to local businesses in Europe. Now I'm calling from Prague, Czech Republic to Switzerland. Nothing new. It's just a daily life, daily routine. I have a list of about 700 businesses, so I'm just calling it.
Bonjour et bienvenue au Souko Spa. Veuillez patienter s'il vous plaît.
Um, so Hi, what's up? Where you from?
Oui, Albizetier?
Hi, can you speak English?
Non, désolé.
Oh, all right. Thank you, merci.
Merci.
That's strange. I called to a company in Switzerland. They don't even want to speak English, just plain French. Oh wait, oh wait. What, whatever it is. Okay, wait. So you know what? You know what? Instead of calling to Switzerland, it takes too long time. I'm gonna call to Germany. Probably it's better. I don't know. It's kind of hard, man. Just trying to call to Germany now, and well, I think I'm just going to call to Switzerland. I don't know who to call to. Nijmegen. Wow, 1,000 farms. First vegan GmbH. My God. Oh, today so, kind of like getting lazy to even pick up the phone and call people. And cold calling is hard though. Cold calling is not easy. It's much faster, much easier when you just run an ad. New song. This kind of style they already look like they are from, you know, the nail bar. Fuck the nail bar. Oh, actually, I forgot about it. I forgot about it. What if today we just talk about going live now? Hey, how are you today? Today we would I'm already live on YouTube at this moment. And what about today we go through the AI strategy, AI application for restaurant business. What do you think?
Yes, outline for AI strategy in restaurant business. Certainly, let's structure the discussion for applying AI to the restaurant industry. We can break it down into a few key segments for your live stream. Introduction to AI in restaurants. Briefly explain how AI can be utilized in restaurant operations, from customer service chatbots to automated reservation systems. Key AI applications, personalized recommendations. Use AI to analyze customer preferences and suggest dishes, inventory management. Implement AI tools to predict stock levels and reduce waste. Customer support, deploy AI chatbots to handle reservations and common inquiries. Implementation steps, outline a simple step-by-step approach for restaurants to start integrating AI solutions, focusing on user-friendly platforms and practical tips. In summary, you can use a structured outline to guide your live session, helping your audience understand how AI can enhance the restaurant business.
All right, that sounds cool. But probably what have you mentioned it? Is it probably for a more modern, more techy restaurants? What about the traditional restaurants that they don't really know much about technology? How is it possible to integrate AI to help them?
Yes, integrating AI for traditional restaurants. For traditional restaurants that are very tech savvy, the approach should be simpler and more gradual. So to consider, one, start small. Introduce a basic AI tool like a simple chatbot for answering frequently asked questions or taking reservations. This can be done using a user-friendly platform. Two, use familiar devices. Implement AI solutions that remote devices the staff is already comfortable with, like tablets or smartphones. Three, offer training and support.
All right, keep going.
How to introduce AI to traditional restaurants, step by step. Most traditional restaurants do not fail because AI is complex. They fail because people try to introduce too many systems at once. The correct strategy is layered adoption. Start with simple tools that remove pain, not fancy technology. Phase 1, solve the biggest daily pain, phones and reservations. Most restaurants lose money because missed phone calls, chaotic reservations, staff too busy during rush hours. Solution AI phone receptionist. What it does: answers calls, takes reservations, answers basic questions, sends confirmation SMS. Examples of tools: voice AI platforms similar to the voice agents you mentioned using, reservation systems with AI call handling. Result: fewer missed calls, staff focuses on guests. Restaurant captures more bookings. Phase 2, simple online ordering. Traditional restaurants often rely on phone orders, walk-ins, but customers increasingly prefer quick online ordering. Simple setup: add Google ordering, website ordering page, WhatsApp messenger ordering bot. AI can take orders, answer menu questions, recommend dishes. Example AI interaction: customer, I'm vegetarian. What did I order? Try our mushroom risotto or grilled vegetable pasta. AI menu optimization. Most restaurants never analyze their menu properly. AI can analyze best-selling dishes, profit margin, preparation time, food waste, then suggest which dishes to promote, which to remove, how to price better. This alone can increase profit 10 to 30%. Inventory and food waste. AI food waste is a huge cost. AI can predict how much food to prepare, how much inventory to buy, busy days versus slow days. Example, AI detects. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restaurant prepares accordingly. Phase 5, automated marketing. Most small restaurants do zero marketing. AI can automate Google review requests, birthday offers, loyalty rewards, repeat customer messages. Example, after a visit, SMS, open quote, thanks for dining with us. Show this message next week for a free dessert. Close quote. This drives repeat customers automatically. Phase 6, reputation AI, Google reviews. Reviews decide whether restaurants survive. AI 4, customer database, CRM. 5, automated messaging. That's enough to transform a traditional restaurant. What restaurant owners actually care about? They don't care about AI. They care about more customers, faster service, fewer phone calls, less stress, more profit. AI should always be positioned as a system that saves time and brings more customers, not AI technology. A good question you can ask your live audience. Use this in your stream. If you owned a restaurant, what problem would you want AI to solve first? Options: missed calls, reservations, online orders, marketing, inventory. This will trigger engagement. If you want, I can also give you a full 60-minute live show structure for how AI will transform restaurants in the next 5 years. That topic performs extremely well on YouTube.
Well, that sounds very good. We can go deeper into this topic, but probably I need to prepare a good structure so we can go live for 60 minutes just about how AI will impact the food and beverage industry in the next 5 years. Let's say in the next few years, probably.
16-minute live structure topic: how AI will transform the beverage industry in the next 5 years. This format keeps the talk fast, clear, and engaging for a live stream. Minute zero film opening hook. Start with a strong statement. Example, open quote: in the next 5 years, restaurants that adopt AI will operate with fewer staff, less waste, faster service, and higher profits. Restaurants that ignore AI will struggle to survive. Close quote. Then ask the audience: if you owned a restaurant, what is your biggest problem today? Examples to suggest: staff shortage, missed phone calls, slow service, food waste, marketing. Minute 1-3. The current problems in restaurants. Explain the reality of the industry. Common problems: labor shortages, rising food costs, food waste, poor marketing, missed reservations and phone calls, thin profit margins. Important statistic you can mention: many restaurants operate on 5 to 10% profit margins. This means small improvements matter a lot. Minute 3-6. AI revolution number 1. AI receptionists explain simply. AI can answer the phone, takes reservations, answers menu questions, handles delivery orders, works 24/7. Benefits: no missed calls, less stress for staff, more bookings. Example: a restaurant receiving 30 missed calls per day could lose thousands in revenue. AI solves this instantly. Minute 6-9. AI revolution number 2. Smart kitchen and inventory. AI can predict how much food to prepare, busy days, slow days, popular dishes. This reduces food waste, overstocking, running out of ingredients. Example: AI learns patterns like Fridays, high burger demand, rainy days, more delivery orders, holidays, higher reservations. This improves efficiency dramatically. Minute 9-12. Number 3, automated marketing. Most restaurants do almost no marketing. AI can automate Google review requests, loyalty programs, birthday promotions, SMS offers. Example message, open quote: thanks for dining with us. Come back this week and get a free dessert. Close quote. This increases repeat customers. Repeat customers are the most profitable. Nash minute 12-14. AI revolution number 4. Personalized customer experience. AI can remember favorite dishes, allergies, dietary preferences, previous orders. Next time the customer orders, AI suggests, open quote, would you like your usual spicy ramen? Close quote. This creates VIP level service. Minute 14-15. Big prediction for 2030. Prediction: future restaurants will have AI receptionists, AI inventory systems, AI marketing, AI menu optimization, AI customer personalization. Restaurants will run with smaller teams but higher efficiency. Minute 15-16. Engagement question. Ask the audience: if you owned a restaurant today, what would you automate first with AI? Options: phone calls, reservations, inventory, marketing, customer loyalty. This keeps the conversation going. One simple closing line. Open quote: AI will not replace restaurant owners, but restaurant owners who use AI will replace those who don't. Close quote. If you want, I can also give you 10 viral YouTube titles for this topic that could attract restaurant owners and entrepreneurs.
Sounds good. Explain to me why lately people are just swapping, abandoning ChatGPT and they swap it for Claude.
Why some people are switching away from ChatGPT or using other models. People are not really abandoning ChatGPT entirely. What is happening is that many users are now using multiple AI tools, each for a different purpose. Several factors explain why some users experiment with alternatives. 1. Larger context windows. Some models are known for handling very large documents. Example uses: analyzing long PDFs, reviewing large code bases, summarizing books or research papers. When someone needs to process hundreds of pages at once, they may choose a model optimized for long context. Different strengths across models. Each AI system tends to have different strengths. Examples: model common strength, structured reasoning, explanations, coding help. Gemini, very large context and Google ecosystem integration. Claude, long document analysis and writing style. Grok, concise responses and social media style interaction. Because of this, advanced users often combine multiple tools. To 3. Ecosystem integration. Some people choose tools that integrate directly with the platforms they already use. Examples: Google users may prefer AI integrated with Docs, Gmail, Drive. Developers may choose tools embedded in coding environments. Social media users may try AI integrated into X or other platforms. Convenience plays a large role. Price or subscription bundles. Sometimes switching is driven by pricing models. Examples: AI bundled into productivity software, enterprise licenses for companies, promotional access through other services. When AI is included in something people already pay for, they may use that first. 5. Curiosity and experimentation. The AI field is evolving quickly. Many people simply want to test the latest models. This behavior is common in technology cycles. People compare tools, experiment with new capabilities, then settle on a combination that works best. Real behavior: most power users use multiple AI tools. Experienced users rarely rely on only one AI model. Typical workflow might look like one model for coding, one for research, one for long documents, one for brainstorming. This is similar to how people use multiple software tools rather than only one. Short version: you can say on your live stream, open quote, people are not really abandoning one AI tool for another. What's happening is that each AI has different strengths, so power users often use several models depending on the task. One for research, one for writing, one for coding. The real skill in the future is knowing which AI to use for which problem. Close quote. If you want, I can also explain why many entrepreneurs are quietly returning to ChatGPT again in 2026, which is another interesting trend you could mention in your live discussion.
Well, for pretty much many other, they probably do return to ChatGPT, but I don't see myself returning to subscriptions plans with ChatGPT though.
If you're considering leaving a ChatGPT subscription, that is a reasonable position. Many people do the same when they are evaluating tools. The key point is that AI tools should justify their cost with real leverage in your work or business. Instead of asking which AI is best, a better question is open quote, which AI tool gives me the most output, revenue, or efficiency for the money? Close quote. A practical way to decide: evaluate each tool with three criteria. Criteria, question to ask, output value. Does this tool help me produce more content, ideas, code? Example workflow: research large documents, tool with very large context. Structured strategy or reasoning, tool strong in logic. Coding or automation, developer focused AI. Voice assistants, specialized AI platforms. The goal is minimum cost, maximum leverage. The real advantage is not the tool. The long term advantage will not be which AI you use, which model is newest. The advantage will be knowing how to ask good questions, knowing how to turn AI output into real systems, knowing how to monetize ideas quickly. The AI is only a multiplier. A short line you could use on your live stream. You could say something like, open quote, the future isn't about being loyal to one AI company. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI as a tool to think faster, build faster, and solve problems. Close quote. If you want, I can also show you something interesting for your live streams: the 7 AI skills that will separate winners from everyone else by 2030. That topic usually generates strong audience engagement.
I would be more interested in how to use AI agents. And yeah, you have AI agents too, but how do you compare your capabilities with others, AGI or AI agents on the
First,
market?
what an AI agent actually is. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It is a system that can understand a task, 2, plan steps, 3, use tools or APIs, 4, execute actions, 5, report results. Example: instead of answering open quote, how do I find leads, close quote, an AI agent could search the web, collect companies, extract emails, send outreach messages, track replies. That is an agent workflow. Types of AI agents people are building in 2026. 1, voice agents used for receptionists, appointment booking, sales calls, support calls. Example industries: salons, restaurants, dental clinics, real estate. These use tools like phone APIs, speech recognition, text to speech models. NAR 2, workflow agents. These automate tasks across tools. Example: lead generation agent. 1, scrape company lists. 2, enrich emails. 3, write outreach messages. 4, send LinkedIn DMs. Track replies. Tools often used: N8N, Make, Zapier, custom scripts. 3, research agents. These agents search the internet, summarize research, compare data, generate reports. Example use: market research in minutes instead of days. Autonomous builder agents. These can write code, debug, deploy apps, iterate builds, used for SaaS tools, internal biz tools where different AI models fit. Different models are used inside these agents. Model type, typical strength, reasoning models, planning and strategy, coding models, building software, fast models, real time voice interaction, large context models, research tasks. Agents often combine multiple models. How my capabilities fit into AI agents. I'm primarily strong in these areas. 1. Planning and architecture designing, automation systems, agent workflows, AI business systems, technical stacks. Example, designing a full system like, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Strategy reasoning, helping you think through business models, system design, automation opportunities. This is why many founders use AI as a thinking partner. 3. Structured outputs. I'm optimized to produce frameworks, scripts, system designs, step-by-step processes, which is useful for building systems, where other AI agents may be stronger. Some systems specialize in real-time voice, examples, phone agents, call center automation, full autonomy. Some experimental agents attempt autonomous browsing, multi-step execution, long-running tasks, deep code execution. Developer-focused systems can run code environments, deploy apps automatically. The reality of AI agents right now. Most people imagine fully autonomous AI workers, but the reality today is best results come from human plus AI systems. Example, human defines goal, supervises AI agents, execute tasks, automate repetitive work. For you specifically, based on what you're building, your strongest opportunity is AI voice agents for local businesses. Example stack you already touched. You can see the code in our conversation history. Industries that adopt
Don't
this
understand
fastest:
you, bro,
salons,
Shivam.
restaurants, dental clinics, service businesses. A good question. You could ask your live audience. You could ask, open quote, if you had an AI employee working for you 24/7, what job would you give it? Close quote. Examples: answering phone calls, finding leads, booking appointments, customer support, marketing. This question creates strong engagement. If you want, I can also show you something very interesting. The 5 AI agent businesses that could realistically generate 10K to 100K a month in 2026. One of them fits extremely well with the systems you're already building.
Yeah, I would be interested in that. How to build or what type of AI agents to build in 2026 so it can constantly generate 10 to 100K every month. That would be interesting.
AI agent businesses that can realistically generate 10 to 100K a month, 2026. Focus on agents that solve expensive problems for businesses. Recurring revenue is the key. AI voice receptionist for local businesses. Best for salons, restaurants, dental clinics, service companies. Problem: businesses miss calls during busy hours. Missed calls equals lost revenue. AI agent: a voice agent that answers phone calls, books appointments, answers FAQs, sends SMS confirmations, integrates with calendar. Pricing model: typical pricing, setup 500, 2,000, monthly $200. 500 revenue example: 50 clients, $200 per month equals $10,000 per month. 200 clients can $500 per month equals 100,000 a month. Why this works: business owners understand the value immediately. AI lead generation agent, best for B2B companies. Problem: businesses struggle to find qualified leads. Hash I agent automates, scraping companies, finding decision makers, writing outreach, sending emails, LinkedIn messages, tracking replies. Pricing: 500, 2,000 a month per client. Revenue: 20 clients, $500, 10K per month. 50 clients, 2,000 a month. Number 3, AI customer support agent. Best for e-commerce stores and SaaS companies. Customer support is expensive. AI agent handles order status, returns, FAQs, product recommendations. Works on website, chat, email, WhatsApp. Pricing: 200,000 a month depending on volume. Revenue: 50 stores, $200, 10K a month. 100 stores and 1,000 codes a month. Number 4, AI marketing agent. Best for local businesses. Most small businesses don't do marketing consistently. AI agent automates social media posts, email campaigns, review requests, SMS promotions. Pricing $300 to $1,500 a month. Revenue 40 clients, $10 per month. 100 clients, like 1,000 per month. Number 5, AI operations agent high-end businesses. Best for medium companies. Problem businesses waste time on manual processes. AI agent automates invoices, reports, document processing, internal workflows. Pricing $2,000 to $10,000 a month. Revenue 5 clients, $2,000, 10K a month. 10 clients times 10K equal 100 per month. The real rule for AI agent businesses, the winning formula. You can see the code in our conversation history. Avoid selling. AI technology sell. Solutions to expensive problems. The fastest path to 10K a month. Focus on one niche. Example, you can see the code in our conversation history. Then scale. Niche domination is easier than general services. Question you can ask your audience live. Use this engagement question, open quote. If you could hire an AI employee today, what job would you give it? Close quote. Examples, answering phone calls, customer support, finding leads, marketing, scheduling. If you want, I can also show you something extremely important most people miss. The number one mistake people make when trying to sell AI agents. This mistake is why 90% of AI automation agencies fail.
Sounds good. Go ahead.
The number one mistake when selling AI agents, why most AI agencies fail. The biggest mistake is simple. Open quote, they sell AI technology instead of solving a painful business problem. Close quote, most business owners do not care about AI. They care about more customers, saving time, reducing costs, making more money. If you say open quote, I sell AI automation, close quote, most owners immediately lose interest. But if you say open quote, I help restaurants capture missed phone calls and turn them into bookings, close quote. Now the value is clear. Why most AI agencies struggle. Typical AI pitch. Open quote, we build AI chatbots and automations, close quote. Problem, too vague, unclear results, business owner confused. Business owners think, open quote, why do I need that? Close quote. The winning formula. Successful AI service businesses use this formula. You can see the code in our conversation history. Example, you can see the code in our conversation history. Very clear. Example of a bad offer versus good offer. Open quote. We build AI automation for businesses. Close quote. Too broad. Strong offer. Open quote. We install an AI receptionist that answers every phone call for your salon and books appointments automatically. Close quote. Immediately understandable. Another example. Weak. Open quote. AI marketing automation. Close strong. Open quote. We automatically send review requests to every customer after their visit so your restaurant gets more 5-star reviews. Close quote. The key principle